All right, I'm working on the Geometry Chapter 8, Part 2 Imposter Test, and this is problem number 6. Kyle's up here on top of this pier. Here's the pier right here. Do you see the pier? Right there it is. And he's up on the top of this pier, and his eyes are 3 feet above there, right? His eye level is 3 feet above the pier. He's using binoculars to watch a whale surface. Here's the whale out here in the ocean. If the angle of depression of the whale is 20 degrees, so the angle of depression, so is below that horizontal line, angle of depression below that, right? He's looking down, down to see this whale, 20 degrees. How far is the whale from Kyle's binoculars, right? So how far is the whale from the binoculars would be this measurement right here. Now our actual triangle, since our angle's up here, our triangle needs to be over here, right? So if I drop a line straight down to the whale to make our right triangle up here, notice we do have some measurements. Notice this side over here is 30 feet plus another 3 feet. So over here I can put 33 feet. Here's my unknown, and I have an angle. I've got everything I need to solve this problem. So from this angle, this 33 feet is on the opposite side of the triangle. This x is adjacent to it, but since it's opposite the right angle, it's the hypotenuse. So when I look at this triangle up here, that's what I get, opposite and hypotenuse from this angle. Now, the only trig function that uses the opposite and the hypotenuse is our sine. Sine of an angle is equal to the opposite, 33, over the hypotenuse, which is our unknown. When our unknown is in the denominator, I taught you a shortcut where this on this side over here, the numerator can trade places with the denominator. So I'm going to put the x over here. And on the right side, I'm going to put 33 over the sine of 20. So this is what we're going to plug into our calculator. And grab my calculator. And I want to say 33 divided by sine 20 equals. And I get 96.48. So if I round it, that 4 is going to turn into a 5, so 96.5. And so our answer is going to be 96.5, and this was in feet, so it'd be feet. So the whale is 96.5 feet from Kyle's binoculars. And that is the answer to number 6 and the last question on this imposter test. I hope that you do well on the real test.